I mean, I wasn't ready for that one. I gotta get like warmed up and ready for Mystery Tech. I can't just like hop in and be like, hey, I'm Austin and today we got some Mystery Tech. Wow, it's crazy.
You sound warmed up already. I mean.
Yeah, that was my warm up. I just snuck my warm up in. All right.
This actually calls back to a video that we did a couple of weeks ago.
Okay.
Also, I definitely didn't forget to give this to you when we did that video. Definitely not.
Oh,
no.
God, things are falling. Silent Hills Origins? A PSP? I'm legitimately confused with what I'm looking at right now. Is this from eBay? This looks very eBay-ish to me.
It is from eBay.
Okay.
This is not something that you can buy at retail.
Okay.
At least traditional retail.
No way you got sort of the word traditional in there. Like, is this black market? Is this some
personally, I'm not saying that it's stolen,
Wait,
but
actually?
it wouldn't surprise me.
Is this a dev kit? A firmware subject to license agreement. I can't show that. Ken, where did you get this? You got this from someone on eBay?
We tried to build the ultimate PSP and I forgot we had this. Believe it or not. Believe it or not.
So this is meant to be in the ultimate PSP video. Okay.
I forgot about this big box that we.
It wouldn't be Mystery Tech if it wasn't something that's been sitting around for a while. I mean, it's a PSP from the front and a umbilical cord on the back.
That's how that is. Okay.
Now it's missing everything on the bottom. There's no ports or anything. There's just a power switch and you have a couple of lights on it.
Kind of cool, actually.
So there's a little switch here, which is kind of interesting. So you can switch between reading off of a UMD or a DVD. If you're getting close to finalizing your game, you'll put it on an actual UMD like this. It'll work no problem. But while you're doing your testing, you're not going to want to burn a UMD every time. So you can just put it on a DVD, throw it in here, and you get the same results. Wait. Oh God. How much was this?
How much do you think it is?
These things I know. Dev kits do not show up often. $800.
Wow, that's actually spot on. That was
Is it really?
Yeah, that was 100% what it is.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not crazy for what really is a piece of history. Okay, are we ready to press the button? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Things are happening. Things are happening. Oh yeah, look at that. And essentially, I'm just getting my screen mirrored here. I mean, this does seem like a PSP. Debug settings, let's try that. Available, oh, look at this. Okay, so you can change the available memory. So this is one of those things that dev kits often do, is that while you're first, troubleshooting your game and kind of putting it all together, these dev kits often will have more RAM available, so you can kind of get things up and running, and then once you get a little bit more final, you can limit it to the actual retail model, but you'll have a little bit more space to work with. Oh, welcome to Silent Hill. Uh-oh, don't trust her. Don't trust her. This is gonna end poorly, my friend. This looks really good for a PSP. Look, I'm not gonna play through the whole game here, but it's clear that this works. Now, at this point, I mean, it's certainly nothing more than a novelty, a cool little piece of history, but I'm gonna say, even though this was $800, that this is a cool thing that we should definitely keep our hands on until someone knocks on the door and asks for their definitely legally purchased property back. Not sus at all, like at all. Thought you were gonna pull a fast one on me. Abstract art. Okay, so today on Mystery Tech, we're looking at abstract art.
It looks abstract, but it probably doesn't sound abstract.
What's an abstract sound? Like, is this an abstract sound?
Can you just unbox the thing?
Smithness.
Use your English, dude.
This is not English.
Symphonisk.
Oh, like symphony?
Yeah.
Can you fit that big brain through the door? I don't think so. And inside we have cardboard. Oh, it's a Sonos. So this is one of the IKEA Sonos speakers.
Yes.
Wow, that's hefty.
Okay, but real talk though, these IKEA Sonos speakers, fantastic.
Is this like actually like wall mounted? Like actually,
Yeah.
It is abstract art.
Yeah, it's abstract art and it's a speaker.
Oh look, abstract art. So I mean, this is pretty hefty. It also has an Ethernet jack, which is very strange. So it's Wi-Fi, but I guess you can run an Ethernet jack
Yeah,
to it if you want?
all of the IKEA Sonos speakers have Ethernet.
We also have AC in and AC out. So I guess if you want to daisy chain this with a couple of other devices.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna pop open some Spotify. We'll just start out with a little episode of the test drivers, you know, as you would normally do, and see how it sounds.
Kind of isn't really anybody better to talk to about it, really. So in case you don't know, Panos
It's like Mike's
is the chief
in the room
product
with me.
officer.
That's pretty decent. Let's actually listen to some music. But before we do that, this needs to find its new home. So we're gonna loop it down through here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's Marquez when you need him? Now, let's see if I can connect to it yet again.
Question, should you go out?
That's pretty good considering it's all the way back here.
Or this makes us spend just a little bit more money.
We need one more of these.
So now imagine
I'm
a
sold.
full living room
Yeah.
with these. You can have the most invisible looking speakers.
Yeah. It's fine art, right?
Yeah.
So we'll keep this one here. We'll get another one, we'll put it right over here.
And then we'll get one for Ken's bathroom.
We won't get one for Ken's bathroom. It'll be a stereo pair, and that means that for the next episode of Mystery Tech, while you're watching these sweet B-roll shots, Ken will be jamming out to weeb music, and I'll be listening to the new Kanye or something. I mean, that's pretty on brand, I think. This episode of Mystery Tech is sponsored by Stamps.com. Stamps.com is all about bringing these services of the U.S. Postal Service and UPS right to your computer. When it comes to running a small business, it is so nice to skip trips to the post office. By just hopping on Stamps.com, you can schedule a pickup while also saving money with exclusive discounts on postage and shipping with both the USPS and UPS. Stamps.com has been a tool used by nearly 1 million businesses since 1998, and it's incredibly simple. Whether you're an office, a side hustle Etsy shop, or doing full-on warehouse shipping, it's as simple as using your computer and printer, and within a few minutes you're up and running, printing official postage for any letter or package. Cut the confusion out of shipping too with Stamps.com's new Rate Advisor tool to compare rates and timelines to easily find the best option, and then just schedule a pickup or drop it off. Save time and money with Stamps.com. There's no risk, and you get a special offer that includes a 4-week trial plus free postage and a digital scale. No long-term commitments. Just go to Stamps.com/Austin Evans. Never go to the post office again. Hola! You can't throw stuff. Wait, you're throwing stuff. I'm doing a gag to camera, but even though it's all dark and stuff. Is that the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G? Is that the phone that cost $1,800?
It actually cost me $600.
You bought this phone for
Sorry, $500.
Wait. Are you using the Royal We here?
Yes. It's Mystery Tech.
Well, let's reveal the big chungus itself. I will immediately say this feels nicer than the first one. The build quality on this just feels nicer. The tolerances are tighter. It feels a little bit more substantial. It also feels, I could be wrong here, but a touch like maybe a little bit thinner.
It is a hair bit thinner. It's not really that much noticeable, but I think probably because the edges are finely chamfered, it probably can feel a little slimmer. I actually use this in place of like an iPad.
Okay, that is where I think you and I differ, my friend.
I think it gives me enough multitasking capabilities in a smaller form factor where I like carrying it around like a tablet.
My problem with this phone since day one has been the fact that it's too big. Like the Z Flip is nice, small, portable. I mean, this is a big chungus. I mean, is that a Z Flip in your pocket, or are you happy to? No, Z Fold. God damn it, I can't even finish my own jokes. Galaxy Buds 2?
I got them with my phone for free.
Wait, so for $500 with a bunch of trade-ins, you got the Z Fold 3 and the Buds 2.
They gave me a $200 credit, which that fell right into place.
That's pretty cool. Okay, why don't we take a look at the Galaxy Buds 2?
See, I saved us money.
Sure. The Galaxy Buds have been some of my favorite earbuds for a while, right? You've got the Buds Live, which are super unique kind of beam format that I was all about for a while, and then the Buds Pro came out. But the Buds 2 offer, actually kind of similar to the Beats that I have in my pocket, which has really stuck around for a while. They've got active noise cancellation, decent battery life, but the main claim to fame with these, supposedly, is the comfortability. I love the Sony 1000X Mark IVs, the headphones that we took a look at on Mystery Tech not that long ago. Great, love them, terrific sound, amazing ANC, case is great, like everything is great about them except for the comfort. I can't really use them for more than an hour or so at a time until my ears get really uncomfortable. Oh, that's cool. I was about to say, like, they gave us the wrong color on the buds, but it's Panda. All right, let me actually just give these a try and see how they sound. So, first impression, literally 45 seconds in, I'm actually not that impressed. A little scoopy, like a lot of emphasis on the highs more than anything, like almost to a slightly uncomfortable degree. I don't think they're as nice sounding as the Beats Studio Buds, which to be fair, I mean, sound really good for 150 bucks. And now I will just kindly remind you to subscribe and ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling bell for more future Mystery Tech shenanigans. On to the next segment. I'm gonna keep doing that until editing finally leaves it in. If you just saw me do this doodle-doodle thing, I've done that for months now, and they always cut it out.
Have they really not left it in?
No, they never leave it in!
Good.
They never... So that, my friends, is everything we need from Wish. So I guess now we just have to wait like 3 months for this stuff to show up and see if it's any good. I don't think it will be though. Okay, this looks, wow. Holy.
funk.
Did you get me gold bricks?
No, this was something that you actually know about. A friend of ours sent this.
Is this the keyboard?
It is the keyboard.
Okay, all right. There's a long story here. I'm gonna open it up and I'll tell the story. I'm very excited. Are you all ready? And, okay, that's slightly less dramatic than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I'm starting to see it. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, okay. So the story behind this is the other day I was watching Betty from Switch and Click. She did a video on, it was a collab on making like the loudest and the quietest keyboards. I saw that video. I'm like, oh, what a great idea for a video. Completely randomly, like a couple days later, she emailed me saying, hey, do you want to do a video together? I'll build a keyboard. I was like, huh, yeah, I do. And this is the result. So, okay, hang on. So let me run through what exactly Betty and Jake did for this. It's been Cerakoted in Corvette yellow colorway with an additional paint splatter design.
Remember when you asked if we got you gold bars?
Or is there like solid?
The back of it.
Yeah.
That's solid brass? No wonder it's so heavy. Oh my God. The switches are the Boba U4Ts, a tactile switch known for its distinct bump and thunk on each keystroke. They were hand lubricated with Krytox 205GO to improve the acoustics and feel. Let me just sort of prepare my fingers for oral bliss.
What?
Oral.
No, neither one of those worked.
I'm a changed man. I can't go back. I think I'm ruined. I think I just have to use this keyboard now. This makes every other keyboard I've ever typed on feel terrible. This is Austin's keyboard. No one touches it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling button. Go check out Switch and Click. They are talented and I like the keyboard and I'm gonna keep it taken out by. I'm just gonna give this right back to you here. So Matt, no.
Like, what do you got there, champ?
Okay. If you have the patience of someone from Lego Masters, you can build this thing. Matt purchased this with company money and he's going to build it and take it home because he wants this for his Lego diorama. You know what, I'm done with this episode anyway.
So despite what Austin says, I did not just buy this just for myself. I mean, that's very true. I definitely wanted it, and I'm going to keep it. However, I do have some ideas for it that will definitely be mystery techy. What I want to do is I want to install this screen inside the TV and make this actually a working emulator. And I've already gotten started on my super basic little guy. It's a Raspberry Pi holder that's held in completely with Legos.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, this is kind of a monster build. I mean, it can't be that bad, right? Like,
Oh, gee. Oh, whoa. Oh, geez. Okay.
Okay, remember when you said I only buy stuff for myself?
Yes.
I did that.
Oh, you built the Lego NES.
Yeah, but I did some modifications to it. I put a screen in it.
Wait. For what?
I put a full Raspberry Pi in here as well. So this right here is a retro gaming station.
Whoa.
If we power this bad boy up,
Oh my god! Wow!
so I made a custom splash screen for it.
Wow! You even got the right fonts and everything? If
Yes.
Ken put this level of work into all of the dumb things he buys from Mystery Tech, the show would be even better. So I'm just gonna say, like, I haven't actually looked at this either. I mean, the NES makes sense. I would figure if you would do something like this, you would put it inside the NES, but you basically gutted the inside when you built it, and you have the Raspberry Pi, and you got some kind of custom LCD as well, because that actually, the fit is really nice on that.
And if I take the top off here.
Oh, I see the screen. Wow, so you really took that whole screen apart, huh?
Yeah, so originally it was in a case like this.
Yeah.
Took it all out of the case here to fit in here. There is nothing in here that's not Lego approved.
Is it an illegal build?
It is not an illegal build.
Wow, man, that's
So
I'm so
there's
proud
no
of you.
glue, there's no nothing. Everything in here is held in 100% with Lego.
I am massively impressed. Look, we do a lot of stuff for Mystery Tech, but I think you get a gold star for effort on this one, Matt. And I look forward to the next time we look at more Lego stuff on Mystery Tech.
No, but we got some ideas for custom stuff. Matt is scheming.
Look, if this is the beginning of your scheming, consider me on board.
Perfect. I already ordered a whole bunch of stuff
Of course you did.
with your credit card.
Yes.